Fastener Distributor Index report with results for September 2022 is about to be published, and it looks as though the much expected slowdown may be settling in. This is Mike McNulty of Fastener Technology International Magazine and the Fastener News Report, heard monthly on the Fully Threaded Radio podcast. The soon-to-be released report will show that the FDI for September sank to 47.6, well below the baseline 50 mark, and quite a drop from the August reading of 52.6. The companion forward-looking indicator, also known as the FLI, stayed in contraction territory, remaining virtually unchanged from last month with a low reading of 47.5. FDI survey respondent commentary was mostly consistent with these readings, as one respondent put it, quote, "Requests for delayed delivery dates are increased, as is the aging of accounts receivables at a time when margins are thin. This is a deadly combination for cash flow," unquote. There is much more to report on the story, and FDI survey respondents will receive their advanced full reports by email. Go to fdisurvey.com to participate in the monthly survey, and tune in to episode 181 of Fully Threaded Radio, when I'll be joined by Kelly Cole, Vice President and COO of Hayes Bolton Supply, with in-depth analysis of the FDI. The episode will also feature extensive reporting from the show floor of the International Fastener Expo in Las Vegas. Again, the FDI reading for September is 47.6, and the forward-looking indicator comes in at 47.5. This has been Mike McNulty of Fastener Technology International Magazine and Fully Threaded Radio reporting.